thank you. And please do extend my sweetest regards to Goga and to the family, Goga's family and community. And thank you so much po. And I really appreciate it. I'm nervous. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, and I will greet you. I will talk for everybody in the chat. My name is Anne. Too much.
Oh, I'm very overwhelmed. Thank you so much, Ma'am Official, for having you here, for joining us here on my panel with Kisonia. Magandang hapon. Hapon.
Magandang everybody.
Yes, magandang hapon po sa lahat. That's the right way.
I will learn.